Hello, I am Partho. In this video, I will show you a software that can help you attract unlimited number of Discord members in your Discord server. If you are a business owner, say if you are a business owner about trading, that case you will be able to attract people who are highly interested in trading. So they are not fake members, they are genuine members, and interestingly they are focused, they are interested in your topic. So this software is a mainly bot software uh, based on Twitter platform. So how it works, I'll show. This is the bot software. If you start bot, it will start after some time, which I have defined here. You can customize how many time gap you want to keep in between posting. Say it has started working. Yeah, it has posted once. It will be posting after every particular time. The time will be chosen from 7 seconds to 20 seconds. As I have said, 7 to 20. You will set a minimum gap and a maximum gap, and a random time will be chosen to avoid bot detection and to mimic more human-like behavior. Well, look, it's posting. In this way, if you just start the bot and go to your work, and it will be posting automatically. In a day, it can post 2400 times. Well, now you must ask how can attract Discord members who are highly interested in my niche. Well, I'm explaining that. I have a marketing specialist team who research about content, who research content for a particular niche. They give the content to me, and when I put those well-researched and tailored content in this field, my software takes one by one content and keeps posting automatically. And this well-researched content can attract your target audience. Here you can mention uh, some link, a link to your Discord server, a link of any learning page, or any kind of CTA link, call to action link, or whatever you want. Then if you can research the content well, and your software will post thousands times just by one click, yeah, just by one click, and you are all set. Then it will be posting, and Twitter platform will reach those contents to your exact targeted audience. Now I will show you more about how the bot works. The first step is you will write your tailored content, save content. The bot software will take one by one content, and it will keep posting after every particular time. But it's not fixed 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 2 minutes. No, but it will use a random time gap to mimic normal human behavior. This is why there's a minimum time and a maximum time. You can set more, then it will choose a random value from 70 seconds and 200 seconds. Also, there's an option that you may want. I will click start bot, but it will start working after certain time. Say you want start bot after 90 minutes. Then you have to check this option. You can check or uncheck. If you uncheck this, it will start posting immediately. And if you check and set a value, the software will start after this value. And here I have configured the bot for trading content. Let's see how it's working. It can generate thousands of contents. Only in bot software I have provided these few things. Then it has generated me thousands of contents, and all these contents are generated by just one click. make content. Yeah, my content is ready. Here there are more than 5,000 lines. Like this, you can generate more contents, but here I have configured for only one type of content. Uh, if someone needs to develop a similar bot software and customized for his own purpose, own content, well, I am open for that. So this is the very short description of this software. You see, it's a Chrome extension. I have used React framework, TypeScript, and basic HTML CSS to develop this software. Till now, I have described the generic way of working of this bot software, but still I have not specifically explained what is the exact strategy that members who are highly interested in your topic and they will be joining in your Discord server. In this way, we are getting hundreds of members in our client's Discord server.